Okay, if you're to this video, you are ready. You already have your plan done. Like you've determined the types of locks you want to use, the combinations, where they're going to find the answers. You've created your red herrings, and you've actually found the things that you want to use for your site. Now you're ready to create that digital lock. And all it is a Google form, but there are some specific instructions you need to follow. So go to your Drive or somewhere where you guys create a new Google form. And so I'm going to go to New and then just choose Google Forms. So we can all title ours the same. Reconstruction Digital Breakout is fine. Go ahead and type it in there. And then if you click on the top where it used to say Untitled Form, it'll automatically fill in that title for you. We don't need a form description right now. If you want to change the color, you can. It doesn't matter. That's not super important. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll change these titles of the questions to whatever type of lock you have for your players. So if this first one is a 7-digit lock, that's what you type in here. It'll automatically change it to short answer for you. If you need to explain something, for example, if this was a date lock, sometimes players don't know how they should enter in information. We still always want this to be short answer. But over here, these 3 buttons, if you select them and do description, this will allow you to type in something like use format, month, day, year. Example, 06, 05, 1986, so that people aren't trying to put in an answer to your lock and getting nowhere just because they're using the wrong format. So this will be a short answer text. Now, when you guys have played digital breakouts before, you have this thing that happens where if you type in an answer to a lock and it's not right, it tells you that it's not right. So I'm going to show you how to set that up. Again, these 3 buttons right here, you want to do response validation. And you're going to choose regular expression, and you're going to choose matches. And now here in this pattern box is where you would type the correct answer to unlock your lock. So if the right answer is 04, 15, 1865, that's what your player will have to type in to get the lock unlocked. Here in this next box is where you will type what error message should come up. So we can just all use the same one, still locked. Try again. So if the people are entering in different dates and they're not right, they'll see this. And once they get the right date, the lock will be unlocked. So we want to make that required as well because we want everybody to have to answer all of the questions. So then we just keep adding questions and we add our other types of locks. So if I have a 7-letter word lock, I type that here. Again, it's going to change it to short answer for me, and if it didn't for some reason, I just drop that down and select short answer. Here's where I can write a description. So I could write like all caps, no spaces, so that people type it in like that instead of like that. Again, I'm going to do that response validation, regular expression, matches. I type my answer, and then still locked. Try again for the error message that comes up when they're done. So just to show you then quickly what it would look like if we go up to the preview button, this is where we could type in a date. Let's say this is our guess. And see our error message is working perfect, but here's where we'll type in the other one and we got it right. So that looks like it's unlocked. And that's all you'll need to do here. The next step will be putting your site together, and then you'll insert this Google form into the site, and then people will be able to unlock your breakout digitally. So go ahead and create this and then watch my creating the site little reminder video. You guys should be good to go.